Here's a quick rundown on how to use my Optimizepress installation that I gave you, plus the review and coupon pages. How to create them, how to fill them out. Here we go. Going to go to Optimizepress, create a new page, and you're going to scroll down to the templates that we created. These have most of the SEO built into them, and they have placeholders for everything you're going to need. So here we are. Here's the My Affiliate Apprentice coupon page, and here's the review page template. So we're going to use this template, the review page, and you'll get a file or a URL with all the content. So you want to enter a page name, and this is going to be the title of your page. So you want to make sure the title of your page is SEO'd properly. And in this case, I already have the content ready to go, as you should too. And we're just going to grab that right quick. And for this article, it's going to how to create killer affiliate content. So we're just going to put that in there. We're going to create the page. And now you can see that everything's here. So you're going to put your headline in here. This is going to be the same thing as your page name. We'll put that in there. And I'm just going to 86 that, and we're going to put that in the middle and insert below. And so you can see now we have I have this built in. I have spacing built in here so that you don't have to change anything. So all right, I'm going to space that down one more time, two more times, make it look right. Okay, there we go. How to create affiliate content, killer affiliate content. So now all you have to do is use the product name, just like I showed you in the forum. Product name, website URL, price, owner's names. This needs to be your affiliate link. And you're going to replace product name with the actual product name here. And the tagline is basically product overview. So in this case, it's My Affiliate Apprentice. So this is going to say My Affiliate Apprentice product overview. And all you have to do is fill in everything right here until you get to the end. It's really quick and really easy. If you got a free website from me, you're going to have access to Optimizepress and these custom templates. And that's it for the review page. We'll come back on another video and talk about the coupon page.